Hey guys, welcome back to All Things Antonia. So I was about to fix myself some breakfast and I thought, hey, let me show y'all what this is all about. So if you watched my grocery haul video, you saw that I picked up these egg scramblers. I don't know what you call them. They're by the Ore Ida brand, and it says just crack an egg and you make your own little omelet. So I've already opened this one up, but this is the Denver Scramble, and it just has applewood smoked ham with mild cheddar cheese, potatoes, green peppers, and onions. And I picked these up at Walmart. I will leave my Walmart grocery haul video in the description box below so you can check it out, or up in the eye above. But yeah, so I'm gonna make this for my breakfast for today. So the directions say to take this lid off. Your contents are on the inside, and they come in little packages like this. So this is your vegetable blend. It's the onions, potatoes, and green peppers. And then this is your mild cheddar cheese and your applewood smoked ham. So let's see. The directions say crack egg into cup, empty contents of pouches into cup, stir until blended, and microwave on high for 40 seconds. If preparing with 2 large eggs or 2 egg whites, follow the above directions, except increase the second microwave time to 40 seconds. So I'm feeling a little fancy. I'm a little hungry today, so I'm actually going to use 2 eggs, and we'll see how that works out. So I'm going to crack my eggs here. Okay, and then empty the contents. So I'm going to put all of the ingredients in here. So you've got onions, green bell peppers, and potatoes. And we've got ham and cheddar cheese. So here's the ham going in. And we're going to add the cheddar cheese. Okay, and then grab a fork. I'm going to stir that together. Get all of the yolk and the ingredients mixed in together, and then it says to microwave on high for 40 seconds. Okay, so that's been 40 seconds, and now it says to stir. So we're going to stir this. It's already started to cook a little bit, but I'm going to scramble it up a little bit more. And then this time we're going to put it in, since we used 2 eggs, it says to increase the second microwave time to 50 seconds instead of 30. So we're going to do 50 seconds in the microwave this time. And here's our omelet. It looks pretty good. Okay, so I'm gonna scramble that up here. Oh, cool. Looks pretty good. But you know what? I like my eggs a little bit more done, so I'm gonna put it back in there for another 10 or 15 seconds. Just my own personal preference. I don't like runny eggs. I don't want them soft. I like hard scrambled eggs. So just a few more seconds in the microwave and this will be done. I might add a little bit of salt and pepper. And I'm actually using the Mrs. Dash Table Blend seasoning. It's really good. I'm just watching my salt intake. So sprinkle some of that on there. And smells really good too. So let's give it a quick try. That's good. That's good. I'm just gonna add a little bit more cheese in it because I love cheese, but really good. And these were at Walmart. I think they were like $1.98. So something simple, quick and easy you can take to work to have breakfast or breakfast on the go in the car. Make it before you leave home. But yeah, I just wanted to update you guys on this, let you know that I did try it. I do like it, and I'll probably go back and get more of these. They did have some different options to choose from. So yeah, I'll link my grocery haul video below so you can see what I'm talking about. And thanks for watching. Bye.